Tonight's scoop is extra special. This one is a birthday gift for Paige from Natalia and Luca. Happy birthday, Paige! One canvas bag. One notebook. Let's gift her one more. 2 plush pencil bags. Plus this pencil case. Two scenery stickers. Plus 2 more. 1 sticker. Let's add these 5 little cuties. Two mini notebooks. Plus 4 more. Three sticky notes. Plus 4 more. One headband. This My Melody style is so cute. Let's add this scrunchie and mini plush charm. One Tapa squishy. Plus 2 more. One pin badge. Look at these oliandrubyco designs. One bracelet. Plus 1 more. 2 acrylic clips. Let's add these 3 pens as a gift. That's everything, Paige. I really hope you love your birthday gift from Natalia and Luca. Thank you so much.